Have you ever wondered what it would take to sell your house without a real estate agent? Last year, I did just that. It wasn't my house per se, it's one that my apartment building owned and rented but wanted to sell. But we went brokerless to save on some of the 6% commission that usually goes to the buyers and sellers agents. Here's what I learned. Pro tip number 1, it's a lot of work. We had to stage the apartment. My neighbor / interior designer / friend did that. We hired a photographer for pictures, an appraiser helped figure out the listing price. I wrote the listing, fielded the calls from buyers and agents, and manned every open house. Pro tip number 2, prepare to clean a lot. Before an open house, which was almost every weekend, I dragged my poor son downstairs to dust, vacuum, declutter, wipe counters and showers. The renters still lived there. Why are we cleaning someone else's house, he'd complain. Pro tip 3, forget the cookies. One common suggestion is to make your house smell homey by lighting a candle or baking cookies, which you can give to potential buyers. No, don't do it. No one ate the cookies except for me. Last tip, it's all about price. No matter how well you stage the home or how carefully worded the listing is, or if you have cookies, the home won't sell if the price isn't right. In my experience, the housing market changed dramatically on us, and we ended up with a price that was too high. But one reduction later, and the apartment was sold. So would I do it again? Sure. What would I do different? I'd make brownies instead.